It's going to be part 2 of the SAS Viya 6. So as you can see, we already have the demo 3.3b pulled up, and we're going to use page 4 for this. And so we're going to create a new data item. In the left pane, we're going to click data, and next to state name, click to edit. And now it wants us to change the classification group to geography. And for the name or code context field, we're going to select US state names. Now we're going to click OK. And now we're going to see that a new group called geography state name was created. And in the data pane, we're going to go to postal code and edit. And we're going to, for the classification field, we're going to select geography. For the name or code context field, we're going to select US zip codes. And click OK. That creates a geography called postal code. And then the data pane, we're going to select new data item and do hierarchy. So we're going to double click state name and postal code. And that creates a hierarchy between the postal code and state name. Now we're going to add a data filter. Expand the character group. Select customer country. In the conditions area, we're going to double click customer country in. And in the expression area, we're going to click none selected. And in the select data window, we're going to double click United States. And click OK. So now, as we can see, the expression is as follows: customer country in United States. And we're going to click OK to apply the filter. And now we're going to create a geomap. So we're going to go to Objects, Geomap, and we're going to use geo coordinate and drag it over. Now we're going to assign data. So for roles, for the geography role, we're going to use US hierarchy. And for size, we're going to do frequency. And for color, we're going to do profit. And now we're going to go to options. And in the name field, we're going to enter profit by location. And in the coordinate group, we're going to verify that scatter is selected. And for the initial marker shape field, we're going to select diamond. For the marker size, we're going to do 30%. And for the legend group, for placement field, we're going to choose the middle on the right. So now we're going to right click the geo coordinate map, and we're going to remove frequency and replace it with profit. And now we're going to do profit to average profit. And now we're going to double click the marker for Texas. In the upper right corner. So as you can see, this is how you're able to find a selected city. So for Austin, Texas. And then creating a 50-mile radius. To do this, we are going to go to the type field and verify that distance is selected. And then the unit field, verify that miles is selected. And for the distance field, we're going to enter 50.